Using lenses. In this video, we will explain when does a convex lens form a virtual image. So, with the object nearer to the lens than the principal focus, a magnified image is formed. The image is a virtual image because it is formed where the rays appear to come from. In this situation, the lens acts as a magnifying glass. So, when will a virtual image be formed by a convex lens? When the object is nearer to the lens than the principal focus. Therefore, it will act as a magnifying glass and we will not be able to see the image on a screen because it's virtual, as you can see here. So, it's very important here to mention magnification. The magnification is a ratio of the image's height against the object's height. So when the image is bigger than the object, the magnification will be greater than 1 because the image's height will be greater than that of the object and thus the ratio will be greater than 1. And vice versa, when the image is smaller than the object, the magnification will be less than 1. And for sure, the magnification does not have a unit because both the numerator and the denominator have the same unit, either millimeters or centimeters. Now, let's see how the virtual image will be formed by the convex lens. As you can see here in figure 3, the object must be between the lens and the principal focus as shown. The image will be formed at the same side of the lens as the object. Why? Because, as you can see, if we draw the ray diagram, the intersection of the refraction of the light rays will be here, which is the image of this point of the object. The image will be virtual as we agreed, and as you can see, it will be upright, not inverted. It will be upright just like the object, and it will be larger than the object because it's magnified. Moreover, the image can be seen only by looking at it through the lens because that's how a magnifying glass works. But what about concave lenses? Concave lenses only form virtual images. They will never form a real image because none of the images formed by a concave lens can be seen on a screen. So, as you can see here in figure 4, wherever the object is beyond or after the principal focus, the rays drawn from a point on the object, the same rays that we learned to originate from an object, will diverge because a concave lens, which is the one that has inward arrows, is placed. So, we know that the image is formed where the refracted rays meet. So, they meet here, and therefore, the image is always virtual, and it's upright, the same as the object, but smaller than the object, as you can see. And that's the principle behind eyeglasses, where concave lenses are used to correct short sight. And that's all for how lenses are used.